Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Naina. I'm a Dubai-based recruitment consultant, also a career blogger. I make YouTube videos to help job seekers in their career transition and share my experience tips with them. So my job mainly revolves around everything that is career related, but mostly my time is occupied in looking at resumes. Over the years in my career, I have screened around thousands of resumes. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about types of resumes and how to make them pass through ATS. So stay with me. Whether you are a college graduate or a seasoned professional, to start your job search journey, the first thing that you do is writing a compelling resume. There are two types of resumes basically. One is functional resume and the second one is chronological resume. A functional resume is only for specific job areas, and also it's not preferred by many of the employers. Because a functional resume is a resume which is based on your responsibilities, achievements without the dates. So a functional resume is a resume where you put all your job duties, what you have done in the past, what have been your achievements, what are your skills, along with your qualifications of course, but it doesn't have any of the dates. It's a good type of resume for people who have just worked with a single organization, or a college graduate who has just volunteering experience or has just done some internship. So they could just mention the functions they have completed without mentioning the years. Now, the most preferred resume is a chronological resume. A chronological resume highlights your experience from recent to the past. So your job roles are specified along with the dates. How much time you have spent at a certain organizations, what your duties were, what your achievements have been. So the recruiters would really like to see and get a snapshot of your complete career looking at a chronological resume. This is most preferred way to portray all your skills and qualifications along with your tenure duration at different employers. So now let's talk about ATS. The HR's function is getting modern day by day. A lot of companies are reducing the manpower and relying more on the AI-driven systems. Application tracking system is one of the most caught on trend for most of the organizations. Most of the organizations, in order to reduce their HR work, they have specified job portals which will help them through application tracking systems to churn down the applications as per their specification. So they only receive the CVs which are compatible with the questions they have fed in the application tracking systems. Most of the people I hear from, they get highly disappointed by not getting responses. Sometimes the culprit behind non-responsiveness is the ATS. Maybe you are the best candidate, you know you can do the job, you are applying wholeheartedly with the best resume. But what if it has not passed through ATS and has not reached the right person? So what you must do so that your CV passes the ATS door? Now there are certain things that you must consider while drafting your resume. Avoid putting a two-column resume. Never make different columns side by side in your resume. Your resume, in a layman's language, should have a horizontal way of your expertise and your experience. Whatever you mention it in a horizontal way. A paragraph or your qualifications, your experience, your career snapshot, your personal history, hobbies, whatever you want to put, you put in a bullet points in a horizontal style. Now the most accepted formats through ATS are PDF and Word. I would recommend you to use only these two formats because they are globally accepted And other than that, avoid using any extra different fonts or images or graphics. That confuses the application tracking system. It's AI after all, but not that intelligent. So it may not be able to read your CV. I hope you're already all set to put forward your compelling resume, which definitely will pass through ATS doors. If you apply these tips to your resume, I'm very sure it's gonna stand out. Let me know how did you like today's video. Do share your feedback on my YouTube channel. Do watch more videos if you are on a job search journey. Do look at the description box. I will leave more links to make your job search better. If you're a fresh graduate, there are different courses out there which you could do for free to upskill yourself. I'll also leave a link of that. Do subscribe to my channel. Don't miss to press the bell icon. Do share my video with anybody whom you think it will benefit. I look forward to hearing from you next time. Thank you so much.